Well, for the astronomy open houses, what we typically do is we start here in the planetarium, and I give people a basic understanding of what's going on in the night sky on that particular night.
And then they migrate up to the lecture hall, and that's followed by an hour lecture. And if it's clear out, we take them out to the Mahalsal Observatory and the other observatory that we have here on campus, and we show them the biggest and brightest things that we can see in the sky.
The kids who come here are so enthusiastic, and I never leave here without learning something.
The resources that Penn State has and the allocation of those resources to the mission of the school is phenomenal.
It is a life-changing experience for some people. I've witnessed people come up to the telescope and they put their eye on the telescope, yell out loud, "This is wonderful. You've got to be kidding me," they say. People are so excited, and that's why we do these open houses.